Bestseller Circle, and today we're going to look at safely upgrading to WordPress 3.0. If you've logged into your dashboard recently, you've probably seen that WordPress 3 is available, and you're encouraged to update by just clicking on that link. I'm going to show you a safer way to do it than just clicking and hoping for the best. So the first step is to back up. Go to your plugin directory and click Add New. The first plugin we're going to look at is Automatic WordPress Backup. This is for people who have an Amazon S3 account. If you have such an account, this is all you need. To be sure you have the right one, make sure that the author is Dan Coulter. Click on Install and Install Now. The plugin will be downloaded, installed, and then just click Activate. You'll have a message to configure it. What it needs is your Amazon S3 security keys. You get those by logging into the Amazon Web Services dashboard under My Account Security. Fill them in, create a new bucket or select one that you already have in place. Choose the folders you wish to back up and how often you want to keep the backups on S3. When you're done, click Save Changes and Backup Now. The backup will begin automatically. If you want to be sure it's done, the next time you log into this page, just look for the Manual WordPress Backup link. If it's there, you'll know the backup was successful. If you don't have an S3 account, we'll look at two other plugins. Again, click Add New under Plugins, and this time search for WP-DB-Backups. Again, click Install, Install Now, and then Activate. You'll be taken back to the plugin area. Scroll down towards the bottom of your list to find it, and you should see a link encouraging you to configure the backup. Choose to exclude spam comments and post revisions if you wish, and then you can add any extra tables outside the core tables to your backup. Tell it where you want to save this backup, and then just click Backup Now. You'll see a progress bar on the top. Don't close the page until it's completed. Once you're done, I would encourage you to set up a regular backup schedule for your core tables by just scrolling to the bottom. Pick how often you wish to do it based on how often you update your blog. Again, include any extra tables, and then you can just have the backup emailed directly to yourself. Finally, one last backup. Go to WordPress Backup, search the plugins, it's by a group called Blog Traffic Exchange, or BTE. Click Install, Install again, and then Activate. Just as we did with the other plugins, we'll want to make a few changes. This has a special twist, however. WordPress backs up folders so that you'll be able to back up all of your uploads, your pictures, and any other things you've added to your website. To do this, it needs permission to write to a file called .htaccess. You'll see a warning asking you to create such a file and to add it to the backup folder. If you click on See Here, the link will take you to the Blog Traffic Exchange website. You can scroll down where you'll get very clear instructions on how to create and upload this file. Just copy the code they've shown you here that I've highlighted in yellow. Run your cursor over it. Right-click, click Copy, and add it to something like Notepad. You want plain text. Be sure you change it from a text document to all files and name it HTACCESS. There is no file extension. Click Save. Notice where you've saved it to, and you're ready to upload it. Now, I've already logged into my Bluehost control panel. I'm going to just go to File Manager and upload the file. If you don't recall where to do it, just go back to WordPress and look at the instructions. They'll tell you what the folder is. You can navigate to it under File Manager just by clicking on the folders. And then go to the Upload section, click Upload, click Browse, and then look for where you save the file to your computer. Click Open, and it'll be uploaded, and that's done. You can now go back to WordPress. When you refresh this page by clicking Save Options, you'll notice that that warning is now gone. If your folders are in green and it says they're okay, your backup is complete. We're able to move on to step 2 of upgrading, which is to disable all plugins. Again, go to the plugins section. This time click on Installed. Click on the Bulk Actions plugin button and scroll down to make sure they've all been selected. All you have to do now is choose to deactivate and click Apply. All plugins are now deactivated, and it'll be safe for you to upgrade your WordPress blog. You can use the link directly at the top of every page. So for a safe, easy upgrade, just scroll up, click Update Now, click Upgrade Automatically. If you haven't had any problems so far, this should be safe. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen, and then a list of what's been done, and the notification that upgrades have been applied successfully. If you click on the dashboard on WordPress 3.0, you'll see a new section called Updates. Click on it, and you'll be told whether or not any of your plugins need to be updated and if your theme is up to date. If your plugins are all up to date and your theme is up to date, you're ready to go. Just go back to Plugins, click the Bulk Action button, uncheck any plugins that you do not want to use, any that may not be compatible with WordPress 3.0. When you're ready, activate them all by clicking Apply, and your WordPress blog is now updated to WordPress 3.0, and it's good to go. Let's go to the front page of Web Sellers University and make sure that everything looks okay. Just click on the name of your blog, and it should load the front page for you. It looks like all my copy and pictures, menus are all here. Sidebar widgets are showing. The Add to Cart buttons are working, or at least present. I'm going to check the menus up top. They're all dropping down. I'm going to click on a page from the menu to make sure that it loads properly. Once again, everything seems to be working. I'll click the Add to Cart button, and the cart works just the way I expect it to. Everything works, and that's how easy it is to upgrade to WordPress 3.0. This is Danny for the Web Seller Circle. For more tips like this, please visit us at www.websellercircle.com. Thank you.